Here at Atenza, you're making your home simpler. Tulisema tunakumekia work yako easier. We don't want you to get tired. Worry no more. That's why tumekuletea this Skyworth ya 10 kg capacity wash and 7 kg capacity dry. So these are wash and dry. That means ukifua manguo na this washing machine, unazitoa zikiwa zimekauka, unavaa na unatoka unaenda kazini. It's a front load. Tulisema it's a front load because here it's where you put your load. And always the compartment ya detergent inakuanga hapa, and you can remove this detergent for easy cleaning, unaona? Then after you done kuosha, unairudisha tu hapo vizuri sana. 10 kg na hii iko na direct drive. That means it's best for energy consumption and water consumption. Also I make a lot of noise. This the controlling knob yake. Every program hapa inajidisplay hapa the time, the temperature. Let me show you. Air wash unaona inatumia like speed ya 1200. Wacha nikuonyeshe. Tukitumia like hii down jacket, you can see inakupea temperature ya 40 degree na inakupea speed ya 800. You can adjust the temperature. Unaona? You can adjust the temperature to 90 degree yenye unataka, and also for the speed you can adjust it from 600 to 1200. na everything when you done you just start, ama ukitaka kupause you just pause, na ukianza kuspin huwa inajilock automatically. That's why we are saying this is fully automatic. At ita wash, it rinse na spin at once. This one goes for only 56,000 Kenyan shilling, na hii ni deal ya Atenza peke yake. We are located at Hazina Trade Center, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2. Ama you can shop with our website, which is www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke. Usichoke kila saa.